Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techwood Solutions. I hope that the title of this video didn't freak you guys out. I just wanted to do my part in sharing and updating you guys on my Tesla position and what I currently see as of right now. At the end of the day, one of the things that I truly want to share, like we say in every single video, is no one can predict the future. We can simply prepare for it. And there's no question that the past couple of weeks, if not the past couple of months, Tesla has shown an obvious resistance level at $700 a share. So first off, I want to congratulate everyone who is up on their Tesla position and is starting the week off on a green note. I think that's absolutely amazing. One of the things that I just wanted to bring to your attention is you should never do something that you are not prepared for, or if it was not your original plan. All I want to make sure that we do is, just like we talked about it last weekend, is we were approaching the same resistance level at $700, and as you guys could see, Tesla has been very bearish, and this follows after the news of Cathie Woods. First, I'm kind of all over the place right now, but Cathie Woods over the weekend announced a new price target, big picture for Tesla at $3,000 a share. I think that this is absolutely amazing. I think this is one of the main reasons that we saw Tesla gap up as soon as the market opened. It looked like an overreaction, and then we kind of corrected ourselves, and it's been kind of consolidating for the remainder of the day. This gave us a good push to the same resistance level at $700, and you can do your own analysis. For the past couple of weeks, we've consistently gotten rejected, and we pulled on back to the low 600s, if not mid 600s. And all I want to make sure is, if your original plan was to invest in Tesla long term and you can tolerate the pullbacks because you can understand the big picture and the vision of investing in Tesla now and holding for the future, this video really isn't for you. This video is more for people that are just getting started or that cannot tolerate a pullback. And you know who you are, right? You can share your plan down in the comment section, and I actually want to hear what you plan to do with your Tesla position. Do you plan to buy and hold? Do you plan to be proactive with your position? And what I mean by that is the whole thing that I want to talk about in this video is we are approaching this resistance level at $700. I have a pretty heavy position myself on Tesla right now, and one of the things that you guys should all know is I have a little bit over 2,000 shares as of right now. I'm not going to hold the remaining 2,000 shares, and the reason I'm not going to hold it is because I want to make sure that I have enough buying power at these lower levels, just like I did last week, that once and if it gets rejected, you are correct, it doesn't have to, but in case it does, just like it has for the past couple of weeks, I can at least have enough buying power left over in my trading account in which that I can buy at those lower prices. And that's all this video is about, is to, no one can predict the future, but we can prepare for it, and asking yourself that very simple question, right? And this is a question you can do and prepare for yourself on just self-evaluation. How did you feel that when you were invested in Tesla and Tesla pulled back? Only you can answer this, right? How did you feel? Were you emotional? Were you just irrational? Were you ineffective? These are questions that you can ask and answer yourself, right? And if you were someone that was cool, calm, and collected, you didn't really freak out because you can tolerate those pullbacks, maybe the dollar amount that you have invested isn't too much, or you understand the big picture, then kudos to you, right? But this is for people that became an emotional mess, right? Just wanted it to go back to previous trading prices. How many of us have ever been in that position, right? And it happens to all of us. I think that's the beautiful thing about the stock market, is you kind of live and you learn. I, just like all of you guys, want Tesla to gap up, but it's very hard to ignore that for the past couple of days, it's been getting rejected here. So I want to share with you my plan, and please let me know in the comment section what you think you would do if you're in my position. There's no right or wrong. There's so many different ways on how to make money in the market. I'm not saying that my way is the best way by any means. I've been wrong before, but one of the things that I simply want to do is I want to prepare to have enough money to buy at lower levels. And the only way that I can do that is if I rebalance out my position, right? And because we're approaching this common area, I have 2,000 shares as of right now, right? I want to sell at least half. So I'm reducing my position size to about 50%, and I know that's pretty aggressive. I wouldn't recommend that for all of you because Tesla can easily gap up. And what will I do if Tesla begins to gap up and breaks above 710 a share? I think the previous resistance level was right around 720, right around 720. What would I do then? I will simply buy back in again. but it's very hard for me to ignore that it has previously gotten rejected for the past month, and it continuously gets rejected. So all I want to do is I want to prepare for that pullback. So if you want to hold your entire position size, all power to you, and I hope that the announcement that Cathie Wood has acts and continues to act as a positive catalyst. I'm personally really looking forward to it, which is why I'm still going to hold at least 1,000 shares. But I want to be effective, and I want to make sure that if it does pull back, that I can buy at a better price level, and I can buy enough that it makes a difference. That's all. One of the things that I also want to share with you is, I'm sure you guys are aware of it, but we're at a critical point for /NQ. This is just a reminder. You do your own analysis and share in the comment section what you think. But last time we approached the SMA line, what happened? We got rejected. Last time we pushed above the SMA line, we got rejected. We're at the SMA line once again. So this is /NQ, which has a huge focus on tech stocks. So if you're invested in a tech stock, again, if you're invested long term and you can tolerate pullbacks, then this video really isn't for you. But if you're someone that's proactively buying and selling your position, reducing your position size at the higher levels, buying more at the lower levels, I just wanted to make this video to make you aware of it. And I hope that you can at least prepare for it, right? With such inconsistencies in the market, we need to make sure that we stay well balanced. And I'm really, really excited to follow up with Tesla. It would be absolutely amazing for Tesla to hit $3,000 a share. But I just want to make sure that on the green days, we prepare for the worst, and on the red days, we prepare for the best. And I think the only way that we can do that is if we're cool, calm, and collected, and well balanced. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And we're almost at 310,000 members within our free Facebook group, and that's that first link in the description if you would like to join. And once you get accepted to our absolutely free Facebook group, we have our free Discord chat that you're more than welcome to join. If you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the second link down below, and I will see you at market open. Until then, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.